Hello viewers, welcome back to the part 2 of IPsec. Okay, in this video we are going to be learning DH key calculation or DH shared secret. How they calculate DH shared secret. So here is a formula for calculating DH shared secret. DH key, to calculate DH key, G power X mod N. To calculate DH shared secret, G power DH key mod N. So G for generator, N for largest, X for initiator public key, and Y for responder public key. Okay. Okay. DH key formula for calculating DH key is G power X mod N. Okay, let's calculate. Let's say G value 6, then N value is 7, and X value is 4, and the Y value 2. But actually the numbers will be large, more than 4 digits. Okay, but for simplicity I took just single digit. So let's apply the values in the formula. Okay, G value 6 power X value 4, then mod, then N, the value is 7. So what is the value? The value is 1. Let me show you how is this possible. If you go to a browser, let's go to a browser. Okay, is there any browser opened? So, sorry, I don't have a browser currently opened. It will take some time. So just Google it. Okay, just Google it. 6 power 4 mod 7. If you Google this value, you will get 1. So next, now for the responder, so 6 power 2, because the responder public key 2, then mod, the N value is 7. So here also the value is 1. So what they will do is they will exchange this value. So the responder will send this value to the initiator, and the initiator will send this value to the responder. Okay, basically these values will be shared publicly. So the value, the G and N value is public value. So everybody will know this value. But X and Y value is maintained secretly by the initiator and responder. So they won't share this value. X value and Y value will not be shared. Now the initiator sends its DH key, which is 1, and the responder sends its DH key, which is 1. So now they have shared their DH keys. Now they have to calculate DH shared secret. Let's do that formula. Now I got the value from my responder, so I'm going to implement that. So G power DH key, the responder DH key, which is 1 mod 7. So the value is, what is the value? Let me Google it. You can also Google it. Okay, 6 power 6 power Okay, the value for this is 6. Now, the responder will calculate the DH shared secret. DH means Diffie-Hellman shared secret. Okay, so 6 power 1 mod 7. So it's very simple. The value is 6. So this is how they calculate DH shared secret and DH key. In the third packet, they send DH key and nouns. So this is how they calculate DH key. They send they shared, okay. They shared the DH key with each other. Okay, so this is the third packet and fourth packet. Let me show you. This is the third packet, which contains DH key from the responder, sorry, the initiator here from responder. So third packet, which contains DH key and nouns, it's going here. Then the responder sends the fourth packet. In the fourth packet, it contains DH key, which is calculated by the responder and nouns. Now they shared the DH key, then they will calculate DH shared secret. Okay, let me show you that with another example. Let me show you. Okay, 1, 2. So this area is called public area. So we can say van, and this is the private area. So LAN means this is the responder and the initiator. So here is the G and N value. G and N value. So this is in the public domain. So anybody can see these values, okay? And the X value will not be shown to the public, so which is maintained by the initiator and the responder. So the public keys will not be shared. Only they will share the G and N values. So now what is happening here is, so here let's say the G value is A and the N value is B. So what will happen is, okay, so and the X value is let's say C and the Y value is D. So first they will calculate DH key. So now we are calculating DH key. So G, A, B, C. This is the DH key of initiator and the responder A, B, D. This is the DH key of responder. So now they will share this key. Now it's going here. This value is going here. Okay. Now they have exchanged their values, but the important thing is the X value is not shared. Okay. Now they will calculate the shared secret. So now they will calculate. They got A, B, D. So A, B, C, D. Here they got A, B, C. Now I will add D value. So A, B, C, D. So now both are having same DH shared secret. This is the concept. Okay, this is the concept they follow. Okay, so G and N value is in the public domain, and X and Y values are in the private domain. So they will calculate Now they are calculating DH key, which is A, B, C, because G value is A, B value, N value is B, and the the private key is C. So A, B, C. Here the private key is D. So A, B, D. Now they are sharing. Okay. Now it received ABD. Now it adds C. So ABCD. Now the responder receives ABC and adds D. So it gets ABCD. So now both are having same DH shared secret. This is how they are calculating DH shared secret. So it's very simple. Next, IP session key calculation. Okay, session key calculation. So these are the main components we need for session key calculation: DH key, nouns, and pre-shared key. Okay, by using these things, we calculated DH shared secret. Okay, so we are already calculated DH shared secret by using DH key, nouns, and pre-shared key. So we have already calculated DH shared secret. Okay, now session key calculation. Second key is session key calculation. So the components needed for calculating session key are pre-shared key, nouns, initiator nouns, and responder nouns. So by using these components, we calculate session key. Next, we calculate the third key is derived key, which is used in the phase 2. So now we are calculating derived key. So to calculate derived key, we need session key, DH shared secret, initiator cookie, and responder cookie. These are the components needed to calculate derived key. Next, authentication key. To calculate authentication key, we need derived key, DH shared secret, initiator cookie, and responder cookie. Next, the fifth key is encryption key, which is also used in the phase 2, because in phase 2, all the 3 packets are encrypted. So by using this encryption key, we are encrypting data. Okay, now we need authentication key, DH shared secret, initiator cookie, and responder cookie. So we have calculated 5 keys in phase 1. So we calculated 5 keys in phase 1. So these are the key calculation in phase 1, and we will see the rest in the part 3 video. And okay, see you in the part 3.